Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel where I cover creative and design related website tutorials. I'm Sam, and today I have an exciting tutorial on how to design a stunning logo using Canva's free version. As you can see, I've made a light version and a dark version, which I will be using this logo in another video. So without further ado, let's fire up a Canva on your computer and let's embark on this creative journey together. So let's get started. All right, so as we can see, I'm in my Canva application here. At this point, you should have an account, and I'm using a free account as well. From the home page, on the left-hand side of the column, I clicked on templates. So now we're in the template area. And from here, in order to create my logo, I'm going to go into search and I'm going to type art logo. Here we have art design logos. Sorry about that. And right away, I'm going to go into all filters and I'm going to scroll all the way down because of course I want only free designs. Apply. And we have, as you can see, a whole selection of free logo templates that we can start working with. And it's a matter of you selecting something that catches your attention and playing around with the colors to suit your website. So let's choose something here that is not too complicated. Let's go with this one. I'm going to click here, customize this template. And here we have our box that has our logo. It's 500 pixels, and I'm gonna go ahead and start editing this. I'm gonna select it all. I'm gonna group them together, make them a bit bigger. Here we can go into position. I can center this group item and I can put it in the middle. And I'm gonna go ahead and change this text, and I'm gonna call it Sam Art. And here I'm gonna change this text to digital artist. Let's go ahead and change some of the colors. So we can see that when I click on this item out of the whole group, I have now 3 buttons that pop up, and this allows me to play around with colors. So I can put a whole variety of colors. Let's say we keep this one, and let's say we go ahead and change this color like that. As you can see, we have lots of different options. We can leave it like this. Actually, let's change this to perhaps something like that. Sam Art, digital artist. We can change the font. Let's do something like this, or this. Digital artist. We can make this piece of text bigger. I can change the color to perhaps something a bit darker. Instead of black, I can go here, add new color, and I can play around with a color wheel, color palette, however you want to call it. Add some color to it, perhaps. Keep it dark. I'm kind of liking this dark red theme. Okay. Once again, since it's in a group, I'm still going to make it a bit bigger like this. Go into position, center, middle. Now keep in mind that this background color, we can click on the background just to be sure. It is not even a pure white. So I'm going to go ahead here and change the background to pure white. This is going to matter when it comes time to building your website background, and I will touch upon that in another section. We're going to try and match this color to our background color of our website. And likewise, I'm going to click here to duplicate page. So now I have 2 copies. And I'm going to want to make this perhaps a dark logo that would appear on a darker page. So instead of a white background, just for argument's sake, we can make it black. And if I'm okay with the way that this logo works with a black background, I can keep it as such. But instead of black, it could be perhaps a dark blue. It can be a black. So for now, we're going to keep it like this. Time to export this logo, we're going to save it. So I'm going to go up here to share, download, keep it as a PNG file, download. It's going to ask me where to save it. You're going to choose a location, and you do not see this, but I'm just going to save it to my desktop and click save. And now we will be able to upload this logo to our website. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel, as well as leave any comments, questions for this video, or perhaps ideas for any future videos. Until next time.